Mobile Legends not downloading or installing? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to provide you a quick fix on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Play Store application and now make sure you have enough storage before installing. If there is no enough storage, you need to simply clear it out, maybe delete some files, any other games or application. And once that is done, your Mobile Legends should have enough space to install. Next thing, you can just simply clear out your Play Store's cache. So for that, just simply hold your Play Store and head towards its app info. Now once you're there, on the bottom right side, you can see clear data. That will be right beside disable. So once you selected clear data, just simply hit towards clear cache right here. And then select OK. And once that is done, Google Play's cache should be cleared. It should remove any junk files. Now you can just simply start up your Play Store again, search for Mobile Legends and try to install it. And that should fix it simply. So if it still doesn't work, make sure you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or data as well. Sometimes that could also be faulty. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.